Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett has announced plans to establish the country's first entertainment centre in 2020. He said this is to enhance the local entertainment and tourism industries. The project will receive financial support from the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, with construction set to begin in Montego Bay later this year. Speaking at the recent launch of Reggae Month in Kingston, Mr. Bartlett said the TEF will allocate $50 million to do the design and preparatory work for the zone. International recording artist Shaggy has teamed up with legendary singer Sting for a new single titled Don't Make Me Wait. The singer and the dancehall legend are currently in Jamaica laying the tracks for a joint album 44876, and fans can expect the project later this year. The 44876 album is now in its advanced state with over a dozen songs already recorded. The two recently performed at the Shaggy and Friends benefit concert earlier this month. Idris Elba's directorial debut film Yardie premiered at the Sundance Music Festival. Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora have welcomed his effort to tell the story about Jamaicans, aka a Yardie. Yardie is starred by Antwain Eccleston, who plays the character D. Sheldon Shepherd from the group Nomads spoke about his character in the film in an interview with the Los Angeles Times.
Jamaica is known in the world for many things, and unfortunately, crime is one of them, you know what I mean? We're also known for love and the warmest people, you know what I mean? So yeah, paramount, you know what I mean? But within that time, you found that because it was the climate, the money, the dollars wasn't so strong in the country. So you find that a lot of people from the rural areas were migrating towards Kingston, you know, for better life, better opportunities. So what they came to Kingston and found was pretty much a huge set of people who had the same plan, and they were living in what we call the inner cities, the garrison, and everyone wanted to get jobs, wanted to get work, you know what I mean? But there wasn't any jobs, wasn't any work. So what you find is that the people started to bounce off each other, and they started to get desperate, and they started to try other things, you know what I mean? So that created a level of war among territories, people trying to find a way out, you know.
Kudos to Idris Elba for bringing this authentic Jamaican immigrant story to the big screen. Living the Art of Life is this year's theme for the annual Spoken Word Festival Poetry in Motion. The event is celebrating its 15th anniversary with a two-day showcase on February 23 and 25. The lineup includes performances from Muta Baruka, Dr. Michael Abrahams, Anne-Marie Wilmot, and festival conceptualizer Yassa Safari, and more. And on the international scene, Bajan pop star Rihanna has earned another Billboard milestone for her latest single Lemon with Yardie. The single has earned Riri her 50th top 40 song on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. Rihanna just completed an impressive 100 weeks run on the Billboard 200 chart with her latest album Anti. Rihanna performs next at the 60th Annual Grammy Awards. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.